Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Quick Launch into a DOOGEE S98. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down in the menu and find Easy Key option, this one. Go into, and here we got option of this button here on the left side. On the right side we got power key and volume down up key, and here we got this Easy Key. And we can activate some option here. For example, a single click, go into menu and for example activate open or do screenshot. Okay, go back to save and let's try single click, and we got our screenshot here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.